powerful 8.0 magnitude earthquake has struck north central Peru. The quake struck just before 3 this morning. It hit near the village of the Lagunas. These are some of the images of the damage. You see that huge hole in that building. We're just getting some new information. There are reports that at least one person was killed and several other people injured. At this point, Peru's government, though, still searching the area. The earthquake was so powerful it could be felt in Venezuela, has caused power outages in a number of Amazonian cities.